Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to read a creative tweaking report, the feedback your AI twin audience gives you on every ad creative before it goes to market. The action bar is your command center. Each tool is designed to slice the report according to what you're trying to learn, whether that's overall resonance, problem areas, or optimization recommendations. At the top, you'll see the original ad creative, the exact asset you submitted for evaluation, giving you full context for every piece of feedback that follows. Next to that, you'll find ad variations, generated directly from consumer feedback, showing you what optimized versions might look like based on the issues your AI twin panel flagged. Check the resonance score, visual appeal rating, and overall performance score, 3 core metrics that tell you instantly whether your creative landed with your audience or needs work before launch. First, discover what your audience actually liked. The visual elements, messaging, tone, design choices that earned positive reactions from the panel, the stuff worth keeping. Then, explore exactly what they didn't like, the visual elements that confused, the messaging that fell flat, the design choices that underperformed, the friction points your team needs to fix. Read the key takeaways and action plan. Specialized for your brand, translating raw consumer feedback into a concrete optimization roadmap your team can execute before the creative launches. For each individual AI twin, you get a detailed breakdown, their scores for your creative, plus supporting comments explaining their reactions, preferences, and specific suggestions for improvement. Then dive into the full conversation transcripts, the unfiltered consumer voice, the detailed feedback behind every score and recommendation in the summary. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.